Hello, welcome to JXJ Aviation. In this video, we will be looking at how winglets improve the efficiency of an aircraft. First, let's see what are winglets. Winglets are a type of wingtip device, which are mainly used to reduce the aircraft drag. This will improve the aerodynamic efficiency of the aircraft. For understanding how it improves the efficiency, we need to understand something called as wingtip vortices. What are wingtip vortices? Let's consider an aircraft in flight. The lift force that is created on the wings is because of a pressure difference between the top and the bottom surface of the wings. Below the wings, we have high pressure air, and above the wings, we have low pressure air. At the wingtips, the high-pressure air from the bottom tends to flow towards the low-pressure air on the top, as shown here. This movement of air is a form of flow leakage, and this air circulation is called as wingtip vortices. These wingtip vortices that are generated tend to increase the drag on the aircraft. Let's quickly look at what is meant by drag. The drag force is a force that opposes the forward motion of an object, such as an aircraft. There are different types of drag that are acting on an aircraft. We have parasitic drag, which is a combination of form drag and skin friction drag. Form drag is because of the pressure difference across a moving object, and skin friction drag is because of fluid resistance on a body. Then we have induced drag, which is the drag that is created because of the generation of lift. And there is wave drag, which is due to formation of shock waves at transonic and supersonic speeds. Currently, we will be more focused on the induced drag, which is directly dependent on the wing design. If we look at the wingtip vortices, the flow across the wings gets affected, which affects the lift generation at the tips, thus causing an increase in the induced drag. The solution to reduce this drag is to use winglets. On an aircraft, the winglets are installed at the wingtips, and they are mainly used to reduce the induced drag. Let's look at how they reduce this drag. The wings that are installed with winglets tend to have smaller wingtip vortices. This is because of the upward deflection of the winglets and the smaller cross-sectional area, which reduce the circulation of air towards the top section. Another reason why drag is reduced is that the span-wise flow on the wing is converted into a longitudinal flow, which pushes the aircraft forward. This improves the overall thrust force on the aircraft. The winglets also maintain a smooth laminar flow at the wingtips, which will improve the lift and reduce the drag. All these factors will improve the aerodynamic efficiency of the aircraft. So let's look at what is efficiency and how winglets improve it. The aerodynamic efficiency is defined as the ratio of the total lift force to the drag force on the aircraft. Because of the winglets, there is a reduction in drag, so the aerodynamic efficiency improves. This improvement in efficiency is similar to increasing the wingspan of the aircraft. So because of the winglets, the aircraft can carry more load, or can cover more range, as the fuel consumption is reduced. Winglets are a type of wingtip device. Let's look at some other types of wingtip devices, which serve the same function. We can have a wingtip fence, which looks like this. Or sharklets, that look like this. Blended winglets, that look like this. or a more recent type, which is the split winglet, which looks like this. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, do subscribe for more videos.